Hey everyone, welcome back to Earning with Bits. Today we're doing an update on Fiora. The site's layout is still the same. Get started by logging in with your C-Wallet or Faucet Pay email. Once you're logged in, select PTC on your dashboard. Here you can see that the rewards for each view have gone up. Surf the ads until you completed 10 views, then go back to your dashboard and select challenges. This challenge is very easy to complete. Once you view the ads, solve the easy CAPTCHA. Your balance should be updated. The reward for 10 views is over 700 tokens. That's enough to cash out. You can claim from the manual faucet or do Shortlinks to earn more coins. For now, let's cash out. Select Withdraw on your dashboard. Choose your Faucet Pay or C-Wallet account. Add the amount of coins you want to cash out, and select the Withdraw button. At the bottom, it shows you all of your completed withdrawals. When you're done, check your Faucet Pay account to make sure you have been paid. As you can see, all my coins have instantly arrived into my Faucet Pay account. Thank you for joining us here at Earning with Bits. Please like and subscribe.